This is the new and improved 2022 Chevrolet Bolt hatchback, and this is its slightly bigger, more crossover-looking brother, the 2022 Chevrolet Bolt EUV. They're both all-electric vehicles with a range of at least 250 miles on a single charge, and they cost from $32,000. So let's see what's what with these electric cars that are meant to get the masses rolling on electrons. The refreshed Bolt gets a new face that's more serious looking than the model it replaces, and now features new headlights, new bumpers and new tail lights, among other things. The biggest changes, however, are found in the interior. Here, Chevrolet has tried to address the shortcomings of the previous model, and so it gave the 2022 Bolt a new steering wheel, higher quality switchgear, a floating center console with a push-button shifter, new seats, an 8-inch digital instrument cluster, and an upgraded 10.2-inch infotainment system. The center screen now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and in-vehicle apps with Spotify, Alexa, and the Weather Channel among them. Alongside the refreshed Bolt, Chevy has announced a slightly bigger version called Bolt EUV, which looks sort of like a crossover but really isn't. It's 6.3 inches longer than the Bolt and offers more rear legroom, but cargo volume is surprisingly smaller, measuring in at 16.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats, whereas the Bolt offers 16.6 cubic feet. The Bolt EUV is priced from $34,000, $2,000 more than the Bolt, and for the extra cash you get extra equipment inside, like a standard wireless smartphone charger and available panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats and heated rear seats. But the biggest upgrade you can get on the Bolt EUV is GM's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system, which makes its appearance for the first time ever in a Chevrolet branded vehicle. When it comes to safety, both cars come as standard with automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, and lane keep assist with lane departure warning. They're joined by optional features such as adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, and an HD surround vision system. And now for the part you've all been waiting for, the batteries and range. Both models have the same powertrain, which consists of a 65 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that powers an electric motor, which develops 150 kilowatts and 266 pounds-feet of torque, which are sent to the front wheels. The Bolt has an estimated range of 259 miles, while the Bolt EUV can travel a maximum of 250 miles on a full charge. Both electric vehicles feature 11 kilowatt DC fast charging capability, which enables the Bolt to get up to 100 miles of range in 30 minutes, while the Bolt EUV can get up to 95 miles of range in the same amount of time. Charging the cars at home from a 240-volt connection can top up the battery in about 7 hours, while a 120-volt outlet can offer about 4 miles of range per hour. Chevy is offering as standard a dual-level charge cord for the Bolt EUV, which enables owners to easily swap plugs and charge the vehicle from either a 120-volt or 240-volt outlet. For Bolt owners, the cord will be optional. The 2022 Chevrolet Bolt and Bolt EUV will be available this summer with a starting price of $32,000 for the Bolt and $34,000 for the Bolt EUV. This makes the new Bolt $5,500 cheaper than last year's model, which is a pretty big cut. Chevy will also offer a Bolt EUV Launch Edition that features special badging, unique wheels, and a panoramic sunroof, as well as an illuminated charging port and the Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system. The Bolt EUV Launch Edition will start at $43,500. All in all, I think these two new electric cars from Chevy are pretty good looking and have nice tech included, not to mention decent range for something that will most probably be used predominantly inside cities. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.